Okay ka? Okay. Attorney, good afternoon. Do you know what happened during the hearing?
We just presented our evidence. So basically, that's it. It's our turn it's our turn to present our evidence. So we just presented.
Ano po yung mga evidence present?
I'm sorry, I cannot divulge the names of the witnesses. It's confidential. And we were also directed by the court to not to divulge anything. But just a general background or a brief turn of defense to present evidence. So we just did our part and yun, presentation na.
Na-counter naman bang lahat ng allegations?
Well, we are hoping, again, we cannot say, but we are hoping now we presented sufficient evidence to refute all of it.
After this, ma'am, ano na po yung next?
Well, basically, ano pa din, presentation pa din. Kasi yun nga, hindi lang naman kami ang accused dito. So, tuloy-tuloy pa din tayo. Continuation pa din siya. So, until all the evidence will be presented. To be kasi nga, it's our turn to present our evidence. So, basically, ano siya, kailangan niya na mag-appear personally.
When will be the next hearing, ma'am?
Next week. Sorry, I cannot say exactly the date. We'll see. We will check. As of now, ano lang, hindi pa tapos. So, continuation pa. May susunod pang trial. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin siya.
That's out my court. Kamusta yung condition ni Mayor Aldo? Meron pa siyang sinabi regarding confident pa siya?
She's fine. Of course, she's confident na she can explain everything. She can explain or she can refute the allegations against her. Basically, her health is fine. She is okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, tripod.